How do GMC wheel spacers work? GMC wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality GMC wheel spacers can help the vehicle with small modifications and upgrades, including the base system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. GMC wheel spacers offer easy and quick position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using GMC wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame. We have assembly all the suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good GMC wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. The BONOSS manufactures a huge range of GMC wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and QE test records. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 1 inch to 50 mm. BONOSS GMC wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of both made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that used to hurt you are not strong enough and endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional GMC wheel spacers, which offer higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS forged after-cooling GMC wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute impact shape. These grooves allow the thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. Also, the GMC wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives us peace of mind. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.